Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that is going to be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Now, once that is the case for you, all you need to do is just press power button and the volume down at the same time. You get a flash along with a pop-up, and the first time around you do also have this kind of like a window popping up, letting you know that you can achieve the same kind of screenshot results using a 3-finger shortcuts. So you have 3-finger like hold and swipes and just swipes and whatever. You can go through this and see if you like them, but in general the 3-finger shortcuts give you a little bit more versatility than the typical screenshot. So just wanted to point that out. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application, and you can see it right here at the very front, but it also might be easier for you to find it later on by going into albums, and in albums you'll find an album called screenshots. And here you can see we have screen recordings and screenshots, but still much simpler to find screenshots in here rather than searching for them in the entire library. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.